Okay, this front bumper, these bolts are absolutely seized. The impact gun won't even budge them. We're gonna have to cut. Okay, this connector is really brittle. Let's get this corrosion cleaned up. First step to getting these lights working again. Okay, now we're carefully cutting through this rock hard old urethane to get the windshield out. The track bolts are so rusted they need penetrating oil and a breaker bar for leverage.
The vehicle is the 1966 Batmobile, shown as its hydraulic brake system is being methodically dismantled.
And what we have here is excessive play in the inner joints. The boots are worn. Okay, so this clutch disc is definitely glazed, and the flywheel, you can see these hot spots and cracks here. These are shot.
So here it is, the 1966 Batmobile, completely disassembled and organized for restoration.
Now that we have the bare metal prepped, we're applying a glossy 2-part epoxy primer. This will penetrate. Now this is a brushable polyurethane seam sealer that we're going to use to seal all the seams in the car. We're going to tool it smooth with a plastic spreader.
This thick, rubberized undercoating provides stone chip and corrosion protection, with an authentic textured OEM finish.
What a transcription.
The 1966 Batmobile is meticulously hand-sanded.
Fine-tuning these panel gaps is crucial for that perfect, even alignment, a hallmark of quality. This is the ultimate step in achieving a flawless, mirror-like paint finish. The car's body is being made not just
see all the carbon breaking loose, all the agitation and the heat and the chemical. It's just stripping this thing down to bare metal.
The exact specifications are dialed in. The timed cam. First, we apply a fine grinding paste to the valve. Then, we lap it into the seat to create a perfect seal. New worn synchros and bearings are replaced, the shifter forks are adjusted, and the proper preload is set with shims.
First we'll inspect the ring and pinion teeth for wear. Then, new bearings are pressed in.
Transcription. The 1966 Batmobile is being fitted with new stainless steel brake lines, double flared.
Continuity checks are performed with a multimeter. Corroded grounds are repaired. The ECU is bench tested.
Every speck of dust, every fingerprint, gone. This surface is perfect, ready for its transformation.
Now, for the first color reveal, the Batmobile gets its polished silver finish.
We're checking for modeling, making sure it's uniform. The color depth is really coming through now.
All new weather stripping and rubber seals, a lubricant is used, compressed perfectly into their channels.
That's the headers in place.
Hand me the clamps for the converters.
We're installing a complete new wiring harness, securing it with factory clips and applying dielectric grease to all connectors. This is the nervous system. Perfect stitching, matched foam, secured with hog rings. Brand new custom interior upholstery.